going to be playing and boxing this game called Prometheus. It's supposed to be a little bit like chess, but a lot easier, which I'm happy about. Okay, I will unbox it now. Also guys, please like and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. Okay. Okay, this is how it looks. They look a little bit like Lego. Oh, it's gold. This is what the board looks like. Okay, now we are going to play it. Before I play it, I'm going to open these somehow. Oh, they look a bit. I have never played this game before. Okay, I have no idea how to set it up. They are also the same, but in black. Yeah, okay, now we are actually going to get started.